Hôm nay bắt ra vậy đó.
Hello. Hello.
Ủa nói chuyện như con.
Did you join the lesson? Yes, Anna. Anna, Nancy, did you join the lesson lately, Nancy? Hello? Can you
Dạ.
see me? No? Okay, for a while. Did you join the lesson lately? Because I can't see anybody in the lesson, Nancy. Hello? Okay, for a while. Hello?
Hello teacher.
Hello, Nancy. Okay, I waited for you for how many minutes? I didn't see. Okay, I checked if someone joined the lesson, but nobody joined the lesson. Okay. Anyways, let's just go to the lesson, Nancy. Okay. So let's have fun for movers. Okay, fun for movers. Unit. Okay, people. Okay, I think we are done with my family. So let's have people in our street. Okay, so let's have this one, Nancy. Okay, will you please read, Nancy, Unit 10?
Tiếng chén people in our street.
Very good. So we were done with this, Nancy. Okay. Okay, so we are already here. Okay, so can you still draw, Nancy? Hello?
Nói.
Okay, let us draw this one. Okay, because we weren't done the time. So let's have do this one now. Okay, for a while, Nancy, I will just off my because it's very lag. Okay, I will off my camera for a while. Okay, I will turn it on later, Nancy, for maybe after 5 minutes because it's very lag. Okay, so I will read again, Nancy. So let's draw Dan, Lily, and Sally. So okay, for a while. So here is Dan. Excuse me. Here is Dan. Here is Lily. And here is Sally. Okay, so I will draw their faces for you, Nancy. Okay, I will draw their faces. So this is Don, this is Lily. Okay, their face are smaller, and this one is Sally. Okay, so like that. Okay, so here Dan and Lily both live in Easy Street, and now Sally lives there too. So there are three people in this story. Okay, Dan, Lily. See, look at my camera. See, uh, Lily and Sally. So Dan's got brown eyes. Okay, you draw brown eyes to Dan. Okay, you draw brown eyes. Nancy, can you draw? Okay, brown eyes, but Lily and Sally's are blue and bigger than Dan. So I will um I will draw Lily and Sally's eyes. Okay, I will help you. Okay. And their eyes. Oh no, why is it like this? And their eyes are bigger. Okay, are bigger than.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. And their eyes blue. Okay, their eyes are blue. Maybe this one. Okay, they've got blue eyes. Okay, like that. So Dan's eyes are brown, okay? Dan's eyes are brown, Nancy. Okay. So, okay, Dan, are you done with Dan's eyes? Oh, you drew Dan's eyes, Nancy. Okay, very good, Nancy, because I will draw um na as Lily and Sally's eyes. Okay? Okay? Yay! Okay. So now Dan's got the biggest nose. Wow, those eyes are beautiful. Okay, but his mouth is the smallest. He has big nose, but his mouth is the smallest, Nancy. Okay? So Dan's hair, so their mouth is not that small. Okay, so I will draw nose. Why my video is not working? Okay, I will draw their nose and their okay. You will draw their nose. Okay, okay, okay. You will draw their nose, Nancy. Okay. Okay, I will delete mine. Okay, for a while. Okay, I will. Oh, sorry, sorry. Oh, no. Okay, you draw their nose. Okay, you draw their nose, Nancy. Okay, you draw their nose. Okay, and his mouth. Dan's hair is brown and really curly, but Lily is blonde and straight. Okay, Lily is blonde and straight. Sally is hair is black. Okay, so Sally's hair is black and straight. It's shorter than Lily, so it's shorter, black and straight. So maybe it's like this, shorter than Lily. Okay. So black. No, Lily's hair is straight, not curly. Danny's hair is curly. It's Danny's hair. Brown and curly. Okay, it's Danny's hair, Nancy. Yes, it's Danny's hair.
Oh my god.
Yes, Danny's hair is curly. See? So this is Sally. So Lily's hair is longer than Sally and it is blonde. So what is blonde, Nancy? It looks like yellow or gold. So I will put okay, blonde is like this. Okay, blonde. So it is longer than longer than longer than Sally. So her hair is like this, longer than Sally. Okay, so this is Dan, Lily, and Sally. Okay. Okay, so these are our drawing. What happened to my camera? Why you cannot see me now? Why I cannot open? Okay, anyways. Okay, what color are Lily's eyes? What color are Lily's eyes? Nancy, Lily's eyes.
It's
Lily's
blue.
eyes are, yes, Lily's eyes are what? Blue? Okay, are blue. Lily's eyes are blue. Okay, very good, Nancy. Okay, next one. Has Don got a big nose or a small nose? Has Don got a big nose or a small nose, Nancy?
Small nose.
No, Don. Okay, let us read. Dan's got brown eyes. Dan's got the biggest nose. The biggest nose, Nancy. Okay, so Dan has got a big nose. Okay, so Dan has, okay, he has got the big nose. Dan has got a big nose. Okay, so Dan has got a big nose, Nancy. Okay, next one. Who's got the smallest mouth? Okay, who's got the smallest mouth, Nancy? Yes, Nancy. Who's got the smallest mouth? Is it Lily? Is it Dan? Is it Sally? Okay, very good. So Dan. Okay, still you cannot see me. There's a problem with my Dan has got the smallest. Okay, the smallest mouth. Okay, next one. Okay, is Lily's hair straight or curly? Is Lily's hair straight or curly? Lily's hair. Yes, Nancy, is Lily's hair straight or curly? Ah, you're writing. Okay. Sorry. So Nancy is writing. Okay,
Straight.
okay, so Lily's hair. Okay, Lily's hair is straight. Okay, next one. Oh no, the spelling of straight is correct. It's wrong. Okay, next question, Nancy. What color hair has Sally got? Sally. What's the color of what's the 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 color of Sally's hair? What's the color of Sally's hair? It's
Is
okay, Sally's hair is
uh
okay,
is
Sally has got what color?
black black black.
It has got black hair. Okay, it is black. Very good, Nancy. Black hair. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Black hair. Okay, next one, Nancy. Who's got the longest hair, Nancy? Who's got the longest hair? Is it Sally? Is it Lily? Or is it Dan?
Uh, Lily.
Lily? Okay, it's shorter than Lily's hair, but long. Ah, okay. So it's Lily. So Lily has got the longest hair. Okay, longest hair. Okay, very good, Nancy. So we're done here, Nancy. What's that? Okay, so now, Nancy, let us do reading. Let us do reading, Nancy. What color are Lily's eyes? Please read, Nancy.
Uh, Maybe blue.
Okay, has Dan got a big nose or a small nose? What
Dan
happens to
has
your arm?
got a big nose.
Very good. Who's got the smallest mouth?
Dan has the smallest mouth.
What kind of nose is this? Is Lily's hair straight or curly?
Sally's has got
Lily's hair?
This hair is straight.
What color hair has Sally got?
Sally's hat has got black hair.
Who's got the longest hair?
Lily's has got the longest hair.
Longest. Longest.
Longest.
Okay, good job, Nancy. So we are done here. So now let's move. Oh, congratulations, Nancy. We were done or we are done with unit 10. Very good, Nancy. So now let's move on to unit 11, Nancy. Unit 11.
So big.
I don't know what happened to my camera, Nancy. My camera is, I already opened, but I don't know why you cannot see me. Okay, for a while. I need to. Okay, where's my camera here? Okay. That's one. Okay, I already restart. Hello. I'm here, Nancy. I restarted my camera, so it's okay now. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so good job, Nancy. We are done with Unit 10. So now let's move on to Unit 11. So in our next lesson, Nancy, we will have the first test, okay? The Fun for Movers test, regular test number 1. Okay, will you please read, Nancy, Fun for Movers, Unit 11?
But for movers, Unit 11. Thing we eat and drink.
Okay, things we eat and drink. Okay, let's read the following food. Okay, we have here foods. We have meatball. Okay, let's listen first.
Meatball.
Pie.
Milkshake.
Yes, Nancy?
Meatball. Pie. Milkshakes.
Okay.
Rice.
Sausage.
Oh, sorry. And the last one is?
Pancake.
Okay, please read, Nancy.
Sausage. Pancake.
Okay, sausage. Sausage. Okay, very good. Next one we have
Mango. Bean.
Lemonade.
yes, Nancy?
Mango. Bean. Lemonade.
Yes, I love lemonade. Okay, next one we have
Noodle.
noodle,
Soup.
soup,
Sweet.
sweet. Please read, Nancy.
Soup. Sweet.
Okay, good job. And we have the next one.
Pineapple.
Lime.
Sauce.
Pineapple. Lime. Sauce.
Sauce. Okay, so those are the
Sauce.
vocabulary words, Nancy. So now you're eating okay, mine, what you are eating. If you're eating this one, you say mine. Okay, mine. Okay, you're eating a very big apple. Are you eating? Or did you eat an apple, Nancy? Okay, so you say mine. Okay, next one. You're eating an ice cream. Are you eating an ice cream? Oh, is it? Okay, maybe you eat ice cream, but you are not eating right now, okay? You're drinking a cup of hot coffee. Do you drink hot coffee? Do you drink coffee, Nancy? Yes, no, okay, it's not good. Maybe you can drink, but maybe just a little bit of taste. Yes, okay. Next one, you're drinking the milk from coconut. Oh, I love this. A coconut. Yes. Okay. What coconut water, Nancy, is very good for our kidney. Okay. But coffee, okay, don't drink coffee, okay? You're still very young. Maybe you can try, but not too much. Okay. Just zip like that and enough. Okay. So please don't drink coffee. Okay, so let's have this one, Nancy. So write the food and drinks words in the correct box. Okay, example, we have here fruit, we have meat, we have drinks, and we have vegetables. And the other food that is not belong to this, to fruit, to meat, to drinks, and vegetable, you put here too different food. Okay, are you ready? So we have here an example, Nancy. Chicken is meat. We have coconut is a fruit. We have juice is drinks, and peas is for vegetables. Okay, Nancy, you answer like this. Okay, lime. Okay, you go first to this word, and then you put here. Okay, lime. So what is lime? Is it fruit? Is it meat? Vegetable? Drinks? Okay, you go first, and then second, and then third, so that you can write all of this, so that you won't miss any of the words, Nancy. Okay. Again, you go first with the lime, Nancy, lime. Okay, you put where is lime? Where is it now? Are you writing? Why you took so long? Oh, banana. Okay, let me check where it's banana. Okay, I will crush out banana. Okay. Okay, it's like this, Nancy. So that it will be faster. Okay, let's have lime first, Nancy. Lime is what? Lime. I will just drink first, Nancy. Okay, apple. Where is apple? Okay. Lemon. Where's lemon? Oh, it's here. Okay.
Oh my God. Oh yeah.
Yes, Nancy. What? Why did you delete the lemon, Nancy? Mango. Mango. Where is mango? Okay, this one. Pear. Pear. Where is pear? Okay. Watermelon. Okay, very good. Kiwi. Okay, good job. Okay, very good, Nancy. Okay, kiwi is under fruit. Okay, good job.
We smell.
What is that? What is your problem? What is your problem, Nancy? Okay, what else?
Um, me, me, me.
Okay, fish. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, we only have 10 minutes left, Nancy. So you should. Okay, so it should be like this, Nancy. You should answer this one like this. Okay, so I will teach you, Nancy. Okay, so let's have lime. Okay, lime is what, Nancy? Okay, let's have lime first so that we can finish this one within 10 minutes. Okay, lime is what? Is it a fruit? Is it a meat? Is it drinks? Is it a vegetable? Lime. Yes, Nancy, lime.
uh,
Okay, let's have lime first so
me,
that what is that?
me,
Meat? Lime? Oh, do you know what is lime, Nancy? The small green one, the sour one. Okay, the yellow one is called lemon, and the small one that is colored green is the lime. It's not meat. Okay, lime is just like a green one, a small green. Uh, a circle. Um, it's not. Okay. Okay, if you don't know lime, so let's go to burger. Okay, burger first. Burger is what? It's under. Is it a fruit? Is it a meat, drinks, vegetable, or a different food? Okay, faster. We only have 9 minutes left, Nancy. What is it? You cannot
in
write.
the supermarket.
Supermarket. This is not a supermarket. It's a different food. Okay, if the food isn't belong to fruit, to the meat, to the vegetable, or to drink, so we will put here into the different food. Oh, so burger is under different food, right? Okay, maybe I will write it for you, Nancy, so that it will be faster because we only have few minutes left. Okay, next one, Nancy. Tell me
The
coffee.
coffee is drink.
Okay, very good. It is under drink. Okay, beans. Beans. Yes, Nancy, beans. Beans is under
And
beans. Under
vegetable.
what is that? What did you say, Nancy? Under hello? Under what? Under what, Nancy? Beans is under
Vegetable. Vegetable.
okay, vegetable. Vegetable, not vegetable. Vegetable, Nancy, vegetable. Okay, next one.
Sauce.
Okay, vegetable. Next one is sauce. Sauce. Sauce.
Sauce is meat.
Sauce? No, it's not meat. You will put that one into the meat, but it's not meat. Okay, it is under. Okay, it is under other food. Okay, pasta, we are done. Chicken, we are done. Lemonade. Lemonade.
Okay, lemon is pink.
Okay, very good. So lemonade is. Okay, lemonade is drink. Okay, next one. Hope we can finish. Next one, carrot. Carrot.
Carrot is fruit.
Fruit? No, it's not. It's vegetable, Nancy.
Vegetable.
Yeah. Okay, pancake. Pancake.
Pancake is
Different food? Okay, pancake is
different.
yes, it's not fruit, it's not drink, vegetable or meat, so it's under different food. Okay, sausage. Sausage. Sausage, Nancy.
Sausage. Is meat.
Okay, meat. Okay, sausage. Next one, tea. Tea.
Drink.
Okay, tea. Next one, egg. Egg.
And different.
Okay, milk. Milk.
Drink.
Okay, drink. Okay, next one, cheese. Cheese.
Different fruit.
Okay. Next one, pear, we're done. Juice, chocolate. Chocolate.
Is different fruit.
Okay, since it's not under the vegetable, the fruit, the meat, and the drink, so it's under a different fruit. Okay, ice cream.
Different fruit.
Okay, different food, not fruit. Okay, fish. Oh, we are done with the fish. Water. Water. Water, Nancy.
Drink.
Okay, it's under. What's this? It's under drink. Okay, next one. Onion. Onion.
Different fruit.
Huh? Different
Food.
food? Onion? No.
Vegetable.
Yes, it's under vegetable. Okay, next one. Lemon. Lemon. You delete the lemon lately, Nancy. Lemon is under what?
Lemon is under fruit.
Yes, so fruit. Very good. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. Rice. Rice.
Vegetable. Vegetable.
Rice? It's not.
Vegetable.
No, rice is vegetable. Rice. Rice. This one, rice. Is it vegetable, Nancy? Rice.
It's a different food.
Okay, it's different food. Okay, milkshake. Milkshake, Nancy.
Milkshake is tree.
Okay, drink. Milkshake. Okay, next one, watermelon. Where are the noodles? Noodles.
Is a different food.
Oh, okay, different food, not fruit, food. Okay, next one, pie. Pie. Pie.
Pie is different food.
Okay, pie is
Different
different.
food.
Yes, very good. Meatballs. Done. We are done. Okay, meatballs. Meatballs, Nancy.
Meatball.
Yes.
It's meat.
Okay, it's meat. So we have meatballs. Okay, so I think we are done. So let's check your answer, Nancy. So we have here coconut, lime. Oh, you forgot lime. So lime is under vegetable, Nancy. We have, okay. We have watermelon, we have pear, kiwi, lemon, watermelon, banana. Okay, so oh, your answers are correct for me. Chicken, burger, sausage, meatballs. Coffee, tea, milk, milkshake, kiwi, four. Okay, onion. So most of your answers are correct, Nancy. Very good, Nancy. Okay, so now Nancy, let us read the words, Nancy, under the vegetables. Okay, will you read coconut? Okay, will you please read, Nancy, coconut?
Coconut.